Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the all new Oppo Reno 5 versus the Oppo Reno 4 Pro. And guys, and the Oppo Reno 4 Pro as well as the Oppo Reno 5 give you a Snapdragon 720G chipset with 8GB of RAM, and the difference between these two devices is in the software. We have Android 10 and as compared to Android 11 on the new Oppo Reno 5. So let's see that how much a difference between these two devices despite having a same chipset as well as same RAM size. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. And guys, both phones is completely off. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And the logo is here, little bit more faster on the Oppo Reno 5. Looks like the Oppo Reno 4 Pro, it is little bit more faster. Let's see at the hand who is faster. And you can see, and guys, and the Oppo Reno 4 Pro, it is little bit more faster when it comes to booting up as compared to the Oppo Reno 5. About half a second difference there between these two devices. And guys, you can see that, and both phones give you a very similar display. Yes, both phones give you a full HD AMOLED display, and also we have 90Hz refresh rate display as well on both these two devices. And the difference between these two devices is that Oppo Reno 5 display it is completely flat, while the Oppo Reno 4 Pro give you a curved display. And you can see, guys, everything is closed up in the background, no app is running in the background. And also we have a same Wi-Fi network on both phones. In the first application we have is the phone dialer. Here we go, and that is exactly the same on both phones. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. Now let's see the settings, and that is again exactly the same, and you can see. And guys, also the animation feels more smoother on the new Oppo Reno 5 because we have Android 11 software with latest animations. Now let's see Amazon shopping on both phones, and more faster on the Reno 4 Pro, and you can see very interesting. Let's see the scrolling, and feels really smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Now let's check out some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. Oppo Reno 5, it is little bit more faster against the Oppo Reno 4 Pro. So now let's see the Subway Surfer. Here we go. And both phones give you a punch hole, which is a really good feature. Reno 5, it is again faster, and Reno 4 Pro, it is also right behind there. Now let's see the pinout, and that is feels little bit more faster on the new Oppo Reno 5 despite having a same processor on both these two devices. So now let's see Spotify, faster on the Oppo Reno 4 Pro against the Oppo Reno 5. Instagram, that is more faster on the Reno 4 Pro as compared to the Reno 5. Now let's opening up the Twitter, more faster on the Oppo Reno 5 as compared to the Reno 4 Pro, huge difference. So now let's see the Temple Run 2 on both phones. Here we go. And Oppo Reno 5, it is again faster because Oppo Reno 4 Pro has some issue, and you can see start downloading something in the background, and Reno 5, it is completely done. And now the Oppo Reno 4 Pro, it is also done, and you can see huge difference between these two devices. But you can see that mostly Oppo Reno 5, it is little bit more faster. Now let's see Zedge application, and that is more faster on the Oppo Reno 5, and you can see as compared to the Reno 4 Pro. Now let's see the scrolling, and feels really smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. We have 90Hz refresh rate madness on both these two devices. Last, I'm gonna launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, here we go, and that is exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. Now let's see the internet browser speed. I am using default Google Chrome on both phones. We have apple.com first website, and that is, let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. Same Wi-Fi network on both phones. Looks like the Reno 5, it is more faster there. Let's see at the end. And guys, we can see that Oppo Reno 5 it is more faster than the Oppo Reno 4 Pro, and Reno 4 Pro is take a lot of time. Now the Oppo Reno 4 Pro it is also done. So now let's see the scrolling, and you can see feels really smooth on both phones. I don't see any lag. Same thing with zooming out. So guys, now let's see the RAM management on both phones, and both phones give you 8 GB of RAM, and the difference between these two devices is in the software. We have Android 10, Android 11 on the Oppo Reno 5. So now let's see phone dialer, no refresh. Let's see settings, Amazon shopping, and it is a in-app refresh on both phones. Candy Crush Saga, no refresh. Subway Surfer, let's see pin out. Spotify, Instagram, opening up the Twitter, no refresh. Let's see Temper N2, Zach, and that is no refresh on both phones as well. Last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, what I have to say regarding the app's opening speed is more faster on the new Oppo Reno 5 despite having the same processor, while the Oppo Reno 4 Pro it is right behind to the Oppo Reno 5. And the RAM management it is absolutely incredible on both these two devices. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Oppo Reno 5 versus the Oppo Reno 4 Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.